Purchased this for $100. It's got a few flaws, but it's really solid and in pretty decent condition and looks really cool. We're just gonna sand this up and give it a cool paint job and hopefully flip it for some money. We're going to apply solution A to the exposed wood, let it sit for 5 minutes, then apply solution B and let it sit for 24 hours. The bleach has done its job as best as it can. It's not very even, but we're going to stain it a darker color, so hopefully none of that will show. But right now we've got to go over it one more time with some sandpaper, and we're going to get it stained. bleached the drawers as well, and I wanted to show you this. I just started sanding it. This whole thing was bleached and it's dry. I stopped sanding about there. You can tell how light it is there and how dark where I haven't sanded is. So the bleach did its job, and this looks really good. So I'm going to continue sanding, and then we're going to get some honey stain put on these. So in between coats of polyacrylic or polyurethane, you want to sand to make sure it's smooth. No bumps or anything. But it can get dangerous with sandpaper, especially with paint, and especially around curved sections like this and down here. It's really easy to burn through your top coat and through the paint and have to touch that up. So I don't want to use sandpaper at all. I did see a trick on YouTube where someone used a simple paper bag to do it. So that's what I'm going to do. Just rip a piece of this off and smooth it out. And it works. I'm going to do this over the entire piece.